Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get verified on Spotify. And here's how it's done. To get verified on Spotify and earn the blue checkmark, follow these steps. First, open the Spotify app and search for a popular artist, such as Juice WRLD and Charlie Puth, to see the blue verification badge next to their name. To get this badge, you must have a Spotify artist account. If you don't have one, go to your browser, search for Spotify for Artists, and click the first link to sign up for an artist account. Once you have your artist account to set up, go to the Spotify Help Center and click on the Contact Spotify option. Make sure your artist page has a significant number of followers, as Spotify requires this to grant verification. After that, choose the Send as a Message option, then click Start Messaging. From here, you can directly message the Spotify team to request verification. If this method doesn't work, you can also email Spotify through the Help Center. Keep in mind that Spotify may charge a monthly fee or require you to have a Spotify Premium account to process your verification. Hopefully, this guide helps you get verified and earn your blue checkmark. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.